What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2026 GMC Terrain. This Terrain has the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. So as you can see, we've got the hood popped. We're taking a look at the engine bay. Off to the passenger side, we see this item right here. This is going to be the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. There's 4 screws that will need to be loosened. These are just regular Phillips head screws. So we have one here, one here, one here, and then there's one up here. And I already have these 4 screws loosened up to save time, but one thing I do want to show you is that when you're loosening them, they get to the point where they just sit here and spin like this. That's fine, that's what we want, that's loose enough. So once we have those 4 screws loosened up, we can pick up on this air box like this, and then reach in here and pull out our actual engine air filter like that. And once you get your filter out, it's a good idea to grab a shop vac or even like a rag and clean out the inside of that air box as good as you can. Once you have your air box cleaned, we'll grab our new filter. It goes in this orientation with that rubber gasket piece on top. Then if you notice, there's this little tab right here. That's going to go towards the vehicle. So we'll slide our new filter in like that. And if you want to get a little shot of this tab right here that I pointed out, you can kind of see where it fits in there, just so you know you have it going in the right way. So once you have that in there, then you'll get the top of the airbox lined up like that, so your 4 screws are all lined up. And then go ahead and tighten those 4 screws down, which I'll do after the video to save time. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.